Hi guys, I hope you're good and well. So today I'm going to talk about ChatGPT. It is a modern technology and let's see what it is. Okay everyone, so first we need to see what is AI. AI is artificial intelligence, which means making machines or computer programs that can do things that normally need human intelligence, like learning, understanding and making decisions can be done. AI technology is used in many areas, such as language understanding, recognizing pictures, robotics, and learning from data. ChatGPT is one of these computer programs. It is designed to generate human-like text-based conversations with the users. It uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to user inputs in a conversational way. In short, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot created to have conversations with people. Now let's see the examples for AI. Okay, we can talk with assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant that can understand and respond to our voice commands. Suggested movies or videos on Netflix and YouTube that are based on what we previously watched, decided by a computer program. Junk email filters that automatically identify and remove spam messages from our email inbox. Self-driving cars that can see and avoid obstacles on the road with the help of AI technology. Chatbots like ChatGPT that can talk with people using text messages and understand what they are saying with the help of AI. Now we'll see the uses of ChatGPT. So some can answer your questions and perform tasks for you. Also, social media filters that can automatically tag and categorize photos of your friends and family. Recommendation engines that can suggest products or services based on your past behavior and preferences. Also, fraud detection systems that can analyze financial transactions and identify suspicious behavior. Healthcare applications that can help diagnose illnesses and recommend treatments based on medical history and symptoms. These are just a few examples of how AI is used to make our lives easier and more efficient. Okay guys, so now we'll see how we can log in and sign up to ChatGPT. First we'll open Google and in the search option type ChatGPT. And then you can see this option introducing ChatGPT. Press it. Then you should get something like this. Then you have to press try ChatGPT. Then it says login, sign up. Sign up if you haven't got an account yet. So here you first put your email and then press continue. Then here write your password and press continue. Because I already have my account, so I'm going to log in. Here I'm going to type my email account and password. So next. So after we do that, we should get a window like this. Here we can type any question we have, like So we'll ask a question. What is AI? Then we get a big explanation for it. Then it says AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which is a field of computer science that focuses on developing intelligent machines that can perform tasks that normally require human-like intelligence. Then there's more, and there's types of AI including reactive machines and yeah, like that. Theory of mind, self-awareness. AI has the potential to transform many industries, including healthcare, transportation, finance, and more. However, there are also concerns about potential impact of AI on employment, privacy, and security. Okay, so yeah, and if you want to simplify this, we can ask, can you? Okay, next, can you simplify it? Then this would get simplified. Then you can get an answer like this. Also, you can ask, explain in one sentence. Then we can see it's typing. We can get this one sentence. Also, we can ask any questions, and even we can ask this, the timetable. Then it says week Monday to Friday, study for 3 to 4 hours, Saturday and Sunday rest and relax. You can select different, it can make you timetables for your exams, vacations, like that. So it's quite easy. See, we just have to put the weeks and like what we want. It's so easy. So yeah, that's how you ask questions and do it. And after you're done, you go for this option and log out. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. If you want further content like this, then please subscribe and watch our further videos in the future. So this is Siyara and Seyara. See you soon.
Bye guys.